There are many different ways to prepare a whole chicken. You can roast it, oven bake it, make it on the grill, or whatever you like. But today I'm going to be showing you the best way to make it, spatchcocked on the grill. Of course, the first thing you want to do is spatchcock your chicken. Start by making an incision on one side of the spine. Then, using kitchen shears, cut through and remove the spine. Then flip the chicken over and firmly press down until it lays flat. To make our spice rub, start by adding brown sugar, salt, paprika and garlic powder, black pepper, and whisk everything together until thoroughly combined. Then sprinkle your chicken with all of the rub. Now it's time to fire up the grill. Put all your burners on high and lightly grease the grill grates. Then, toss your chicken onto the grill skin side down and sear for 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes is up, turn down the heat to low and close the lid. Then cook for 45 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165. And there you have a beautiful spatchcocked chicken. But of course, it can't be complete without a sauce. Start by adding scallions, then garlic, cilantro, mayonnaise, and lemon juice to a blender, and blend on high until thoroughly combined. And there you have it, beautiful spatchcocked grilled chicken with a delicious sauce. Remember to like if you liked and subscribe for more. Remember, exact amounts and ingredients always in the description. I'll see you in the next one.